Okay, we're going to talk to you today about Brad Akins' new concept truck. Kind of old school, and for some of you young folks, even new school. A two-tone paint job that was real popular back in the 80s and 70s even, with some chrome on it, which is something that's hard to find today. Everybody wants black. We started out with a leveling kit from Ready Lift. It was a 2.5-inch kit that let us put on an 18x9 Pro Comp, just traditional style bullet hole wheel. It's been around forever. And the BFG white letter all-terrain tire, which is just a classic tire. It's been around long as I've been alive, and that's a long time. We did a Go Rhino chrome and stainless grill guard on the front, as well as 6-inch round lights. Traditionally, we've always used KC. KC no longer makes a chrome one, so we found a company who did, and we used them just because it's a classic look. Something that's good for everybody. Makes the soul feel good going down the road at night, flipping them on and watching deer on the sides of the road too. Going around the side of it, the two-tone paint job was done by our body shop here on the property. Turned out classic. We can paint it any color you want it, make you one just like it, or you can come buy this one today. It is for sale. Spray-in bed liner that Akins does here on the property. Guaranteed for life. There again, just to make the truck look a little more rugged. But it's ready to go today, folks. Anything we can answer for you, give us a call or an email or a text. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks.